What should the home seller expect the day of the home inspection? The day of the home inspection is an important day for a home seller. It is a time when the prospective buyers, their agent, and the inspector will be looking at the property in great detail, looking for any potential issues or problems. On occasion, sellers should also expect termite, appraisers, and other contractors to be present as well. As a home seller, you should expect the home inspection to take several hours, depending on the size, age, and/or condition of the property. A 3-hour inspection for a newer 1,500 square feet home is quite normal. Here's a few simple steps for the home seller to prepare for the day of the home inspection. Confirm access to the home by way of seller's/buyer's agent and/or homeowner. Confirm that water, electrical, and gas services are turned on, including pilot lights to the water heater, furnace, and/or fireplace, especially if the home is vacant. Unlock any locked areas, such as all exterior doors, bedrooms, the attic door or hatch, the electrical service panel, the door to the basement, and any exterior gates. Make sure pets won't hinder the home inspection. Ideally, they should be removed from the premises or secured outside. Remember, we are going to be opening and closing all exterior doors for testing. We wouldn't want any runaway pets. Replace burned-out light bulbs to avoid a light is inoperable report that may suggest an electrical or fixture problem. Light fan fixture/awnings remotes should be labeled and located in a conspicuous area. Test smoke and carbon monoxide detectors and replace dead batteries. Detectors should be replaced every 10 years. Test your HVAC system, even if it's not the season. Clean or replace dirty HVAC air filters. It is also recommended to have any service records in a folder taped to the unit. It is recommended to remove stored items, debris, and/or wood from the sidewalls or foundation. This includes stored items in the dishwasher and/or oven. It is recommended to remove items blocking access to HVAC equipment, electrical service panels, the water heater, attic, and crawl space. It is recommended to replace any broken or missing items, such as doorknobs, locks or latches, window panes or screens, gutters or downspouts, roof tiles and/or chimney caps. It is important for the home seller to be available during the home inspection, should the buyer or inspector have any questions and may need access to certain areas of the property, such as hidden crawl space access doors. It is also a good idea for the home seller to have a list of any known issues or problems with the property, as well as any maintenance or repairs that have been done recently. As a final note, please note that inspector documents conditions by photographing all areas. Therefore, expect inspector to take pictures of floors, walls, ceilings, windows, doors, lights, and outlets, and more. These areas should be cleared and accessible for documentation. Overall, the home inspection is an important step in the process of selling a home. By being prepared, the home seller can ensure a smooth and successful inspection process. Want to get ahead of the game? We also offer pre-listing inspections. For the best home inspection, Claro Home Inspections. Call or text and schedule today at 626-253-0436. In the greater Los Angeles, San Bernardino, and Orange counties. Or visit www.clarohomeinspections.com.